Hi, welcome to Expert Village. I'm Gretchen Soares with Butterfly Boutique. So the first piece of fabric we're going to place face down on the counter, and then we're going to take a second piece of fabric and we're going to place it face up or right side up on the counter. The way you know of the right side from the wrong side, they're very similar. It's going to look a little less meshed together on the solid color, and on the print is just going to be a little bit sharper on the right side, and that's how you're going to know right from wrong. Once we get these lined up and laid out, we're going to trim these edges so that they're square. And these blankets, you can make them in any size. It just depends on how big you want it or how small you want it. This particular one we want to be a great size for the infant carrier, so we're going to go nice small. This is about 18 inches by 24 inches. And since this is a no-sew and we're just going with the finished cut, you want to make sure you make nice long cuts with your scissors so that you don't end up with a real choppy look, because that will show on your finished product. Okay.